Blue! You'll see. Sit down, count 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Red!
Tell me. It's
Fantastic.
so easy.
Ew. Good job.
Huh?
What's that sound? It's scary, creepy,
Oh no!
and so loud.
Hello.
What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there. Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log.
Hmm.
Do the dance.
Oh,
everyone's
no.
in shock. Oh wow! Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log. One jumped into the pool. Everyone's in shock. How many frogs? How many frogs are now sitting on the log?
Markers,
One,
pencils,
2, 3, 4,
brushes,
4 little frogs.
pens.
1, 2, 3, 4 sitting on the log.
Excellent.
1, 2.
It's not easy. Aha. Yeah.
Oh no no.
Aww.
Something is wrong. My doll is in danger. What's going on? I need to think how to get you out. But please
Aha.
don't.
Wow.
I'll help you out. 5 little fingers working hard.
Woohoo!
The princess.
Huh? Whoa! Wow! Yeah.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Wow! Great!
Having a friend
Fantastic!
It can do magic. Let's check it out. Wow,
Aha.
I love it. Time to use it now. Mama, magic control from a different world. Mama, magic control. Things can go my way. I can be bad and take, but I like to be good and
Whoa.
share everything with you.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Mama.
Wow!
Wow. Great.
Boom!
Good job. Good. No. Aha. Yeah.
Oh no!
What's that? What's that sound? It's scary, creepy, and so loud. What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me
Orange.
out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there.
Wow.
Or maybe it's coming from up. Pink color looks so pretty. Do 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 do. Blue color looks so cool. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
Pink or black, black or pink. Which one is better? What do you think? Pink or black, black or pink. Which one is better? What do you think? I can see your tail, my little mermaid friend. Oh no, where have you gone? I can't find you anywhere. We lost our little mermaid friend. Maybe she's in trouble and needs our help. Hurry up, we have to find her and make sure she's okay.
Wow.
Swimming with her tail, my little mermaid friend. Something took her away. Scary
Woohoo!
monster. Ready, let's go. Yay, Do you see this creepy house? I wonder what it looks like on the inside.
Wow.
It's so dark and scary.
Yeah.
I'm so afraid. I'm sure there is a monster somewhere around here.
Excellent.